let's just get straight to it. So how to use answerthepublic.com. You're going to want to be using 1 to 2 words for best results. You do not need to use prepositions or what, who, when. You're just going to be wanting to focus on the topic that you're trying to hit. So for example, we help all kinds of people create content on this channel. We use a variety of content creation softwares, including Premiere Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Premiere Pro. Now this could be your industry. It could be hotels. It could be health. It could be how to build muscle, right? Lose fat, all different kinds of general topics. And just go ahead, type that in. It can be 1 word for even better results. And what answerthepublic.com is doing is it's surfacing Google searches that are current. So if you are in a seasonal business, for example, and you're looking for the best information on, growing Christmas trees or Easter eggs or Thanksgiving dinner related topics for marketing those kinds of brands, you are going to want to wait to search around those holidays, because what this is doing is it's surfacing live current data. But in the case of Premiere Pro or anything that is evergreen, you guys can see here on the top we have questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, and related. So if you're really starting from nothing and you don't know what the highest search trends are, where you should start creating either a YouTube channel, what podcast episodes you should be creating to get recognized and seen, you're going to want to start at the related tab. Okay, that's going to show you Google's highest recommended, highest searched topics surrounding those keywords that you guys can use to create titles for your content. Now this can take some time to load. I am working off some slow Wi-Fi right now, so I'm going to check back once this loads, and we're going to go over all the findings, how to navigate through them, how to quickly determine what type of content you should be creating for your business. All right, so as you can see, we've loaded 71 questions. It is the 31st of August, 2022. So as I said, that's very important to understand, is this data that's coming through answerthepublic.com is current. If you want to go ahead and scroll down, when I was first checking this out and doing research on it and understanding the code and what it's actually pulling, I wanted to scroll down. And what you're seeing is visual prepositions. All right, so as you can see, there are 56 prepositions. That's the first slide. 2 is with, near, can, without, and different combinations of them. You have a highlighted chart, right? So the darker color is more popular or more recommended. Currently, if you were to create content surrounding that, Premiere Pro 2, DaVinci Resolve in this case, DaVinci Resolve 18 just came out. And we have been covering some tutorials on those. Thank you, Anthony. If you don't like the visual and that kind of is a little too much to look at, you can go ahead and click data here on the top. And we're looking at comparisons now. And if you'd like, you can click the image button here and it will show you just the visual data that loads for that specific comparison. And so Premiere Pro and After Effects, Premiere Pro and Photoshop. Right, so that's going to load the image there. And the other thing is it's going through, these top menus as we scroll down. So it's going from prepositions to comparisons, then it's going alphabeticals. If you type something into Google, you just type Premiere Pro, it's going to be auto-loading, the A's, it's going to be auto-loading the D's, and this is showing you exactly what Google would be telling a new user. All right, and then we've reached the related tab, which I mentioned, which is really, if you don't know where to start, these are the terms that are getting the most traction. So Premiere Pro shortcuts, Premiere Pro templates, transitions, free trial. This all makes sense, right? Premiere Pro crop video, very broad, easy tutorials that we actually should cover a lot more of. Now, I do want to cover the fact that there are going to be a free amount of searches. So you'll be able to search for, X amount of times. You might have to delete your history, clear your cache data, and all that type of stuff to reach the website again and get some more free searches. But it is going to let you do quite a few. And if we look at, upgrading to Pro, this is not going to be cheap, right? To have unlimited searches on this, to be able to export, to get listing alerts of, new things that are trending, and to be able to have access to these images to use in, PowerPoint presentations or to show clients if you are a freelancer. So it's $199 a month. You can cancel anytime for the expert search listing package, right? So that's having actually unlimited users can create accounts and create searches for their own use. $79 a month, billed annually. You guys can go over the packages here at answerthepublic.com-pages-pro and just drop any questions if you have them in the comment section below. But this is the tool that I love to use. I love the visualization of it. And I recommend checking out answerthepublic.com and see if you get better results creating podcasts or blog written content or YouTube videos based off of stuff that you've learned in this video and by following this plan than if you're just randomly creating how-to videos. And I actually am going to start implementing this a lot more and coming back to this. Recommended it for clients, but we need to do it here. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment your questions if you have them, like this video, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.